So we all hate to see it, you know, you buy a used car or a car that has been owned previously by somebody else, especially when you buy a car like something I drive, and you get down to it, you're inspecting the whole thing, decent looking car. You buy it, realize nothing of it. A while later, you're looking over the car, you're cleaning it up, making it shine, look nice, and you get to looking at the rims. And you see the previous owner went and curbed the shit out of them. All 4 wheels on this car are curbed. I'm sure some of you are saying, probably just saying that somebody else, the previous owner, curbed it and it was actually you. Well, honestly, it wasn't me. The last owner who had my car, I don't know whether it was an older guy or an older woman or whoever it was, curbed the actual hell out of all 4 rims on my Dodge Challenger. For those of you who do not know, I drive a 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. Now, you might be asking, holy crap, you have 2 Challengers? Holy crap. Well, check out the previous video I put on the channel, and you'll understand where these 2 Challengers come from. And there's a story behind it, so make sure you check it out. Now, I'm not necessarily making this video to be a tutorial in any way, but I'm going to be fixing or covering up the curbed wheels. I got myself a little touch-up paint, black touch-up paint, worked good. I've done it before, and actually, as you can see, I don't know if this camera will pick it up with my phone, right up around here, I have touched it up before, and it looks rough up close, and I actually rubbed some of it off with some lacquer thinner just to prove how bad they were. But from a distance, it looks like nothing's ever happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and retouch them up. Hell, you know, I had this laying around because my dad works at body shop, so I asked him to just pick me up some black touch-up paint, and it works great. You know, you can use a black Sharpie marker if you're super cheap. Go to your local hardware store, pick up some exterior paint, little brush, paint them on. It'll work perfect. So here we go. I'll show you before and after. Let's see how it looks. Probably doing this right. The black paint, once it dries, it'll blend. You know, it ain't gonna be the prettiest thing. You can see the whole side of this tire has been curved, or the rim. And it is like that on the entirety of all 4. Here you can see this one, there's the one we were just working on there. Oh, it's just, oh God, look at that. I'm now looking at these like actual, now the sun's making it look, okay, yeah, they look pretty crappy. I have to go around and hit every, you can just see. I promise none of this was me. I swear to God, this is how I bought it. Oh man, this one actually, there's a little bit down here, but this one seems to be the best. It's gonna take a lot of time. So I'm gonna jump through, try and touch all 4 of these up real quick, and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Okay, it's dried now. I've touched this one up a little bit. They do need a second coat, but you can see where I've applied. I do need to get a couple other places. I just wanted to sort of showcase where I hit already. You can see just above my finger here, you can see it's a bit wet and dark. This one wasn't as bad. This one here, you can still see it's wet here, but it was, oh, where's my finger? Here we are, come on. As you can see, it's still a little wet. If it'll focus, my ghost finger here. Here's where I touched up and all the way down along through here. You see from before, it looks a hell of a lot better, and at a distance, it'll look even better. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other 2. I am gonna do a second coat probably, but I just wanted to show you guys pretty much how I'm gonna go through and fix all this junk on the edge of these tires. As you can see from the distance, I can't really get back very far. They look pretty good. And I've done this before, and it's lasted a couple years. well, it's lasted a year at least, and I'm gonna go through and touch them up now, you know, pressure washers and stuff, and I actually need to, my lettering is getting kind of rough too. I'm gonna soon be purchasing new letters when I get new tires, but the curved rims are here to stay because I am not buying new rims because they are expensive as shit. So that's pretty much how I'm touching up the curved rims that came with the Challenger. Unfortunately, I didn't really look at that when I bought the car, so I kind of skimmed over it, and maybe the dealership could have done something about it. But it's no biggie, nothing a little touch-up paint can do, you know. If you don't have touch-up paint available, hell, use a Sharpie marker or any like exterior. You just go to like your hardware store and get like a pint of black paint for a couple bucks. Exterior, the stuff will work. It's super easy to fix, and looks good from a distance. You know, nobody's gonna come up and examine my rims or nothing special, just some Dodge rims. So that's what I'm doing to the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, like I said, 2 Challengers right here. Focus. 2 Challengers. I just introduced the orange Challenger on my channel. Go check out the previous video where I talk about how this car has got me started in this career and on the path that I'm taking with cars, and it's just completely flipped my life upside down. So go check out that video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching this video. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.